So as a tractor owner, I often get asked, what can you even do with a tractor, let alone a BX23S, as well as an MX6000? Well, let me show you by taking a little ride on the BX23S. One of the first things I did with my BX23S was I built a sort of half loafing shed with a little awning here. The main thing that the machine did was dig out the pad for the gravel that you see lying all around here. It helped me hold up some beams while I worked overhead. So very indispensable for that. Me to have the nice high reach here for the top of my building. Very handy. We had excess runoff from our home on our new home build. The old backhoe here helped dig out a nice drain tile area and add in this wonderful evaporative retention pond that's been working out swimmingly. Totally need to get the backhoe because, you know, when you need it, you need it. With a nice heavy machine and a nice front bucket, putting in the driveway and keeping her level is very easy. But a little loud, so wear your protection. And of course, with a tractor, you are not limited to just a bucket. You have a long list of implements available to you with the quick attach system, including a pair of forks. And what might you use those forks for, you might ask? To gingerly pick up railroad ties, of course, so you can gently place them down in a pile for your future gun range that you are totally gonna finish this year. At some point, you may be wanting something a little bigger to more appropriately attend to your massive amount of acreage that you have. And in that instance, you're gonna wanna move on up and step into the Kubota MX6000 tractor. And once you do make the plunge and get yourself the bigger tractor, doing things like putting in a parking pad for all your implements will happen much faster. Not to mention you'll get to do it in a little more comfort. Once you have the bigger tractor like the MX, you can actually use your larger implements and tend the earth to get yourself set up for a wonderful harvest. The MX6000 is not only just suited for dirt work, but she is a great companion if you should ever decide to build yourself a larger pole building. Not only will it be able to get wood up a little higher, but you can even budge shipping containers around a little bit with it. Jack of all trades, this machine. So really just do everything bigger and in more comfort with this size tractor. So what can you do with a Kubota tractor? Well, you can build a homestead. All right, until next time, I'm the ill-informed human. Goodbye.